Hello everyone, welcome to today's generator production site. We are now entering the final stage of engine casing assembly, where we'll see some detailed manual work. First, our technicians are carefully installing the temperature sensor. These sensors are a key component of our generators, providing real-time monitoring of engine performance to ensure everything runs smoothly. Next, we install the adjustment gear. Although it's a small plastic gear, it plays a crucial role in regulating the engine's operation and performance. Then comes the installation of the support rod. This 7-shaped metal support rod presses onto the gear, ensuring precise alignment and stability in the entire engine system. After these key steps, the last part of manual assembly is complete. Next, the engine casing is fixed onto the automated production line platform, ready to enter the next phase of precision assembly. Our automated production line will continue with even more precise internal structure installation, ensuring every component fits perfectly. All of this reflects ERAYAK's unwavering commitment to quality and precision. Every step is designed to ensure that we deliver the most reliable and efficient generators to our customers. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned as we bring you more exciting behind-the-scenes looks at the generator manufacturing process.